Yeah. Hey.
Hey man, we finna replace this shift module. Cause Dodge acting like they can't do it for a younger. So this what we got right here. We got new shifter. Well, not new, but shit, it's new to me. And then we got a new module. Hopefully these bad boys work. Cause man, I need my car back in. Dodge tripping. What they trying to charge a younger. So, but the first step I wanna do, always disconnect your battery, buddy. So battery disconnected. Next step, get something to pry this up. This little piece right here. Should be able to just pry it right up, pop it up. So we finna hit y'all when we did that. Hey, don't mind my fat ass headlamp, but look, man. But look, so we got it like this. These are clips you're worrying about. You wanna get this one unhooked. And then that one is the one for the module. The one all the way down there, so see right there. My shit's dirty, bro, damn. Now first, it's actually a T25 Torx bit right there. So you gotta get that out, get that one off, slide this whole thing off. Then those two cables I just told you about. Bro, I'm fucking sweating bullets in here, but you see, got the Torx undid. Then now we finna this one. Unscrew these. I think these are 8s right here. These 4 8s. Pop that out, and then can move on. So man, we got the old shift module out. It's really simple. It's 4 screws and shit, 2 plugs. But now we gotta revert it. So pretty much everything you did there, you're just reversing it, put it back together, and then we'll go from there. But I'm really rushing because it's hot as fuck. So I got everything back in place, as you can see. Everything's plugged in. I recommend you test it before you actually do everything, put everything in place. So I would say test it, and then based off your results, go from there. So I'm about to screw my battery back in and see what's up. From the last video, if y'all could tell, we got the shifter back working. Pretty much I had to replace it with, I just went and got a parts one, replaced it. And really this is my second time replacing it because the first one I got wasn't working still. It still was like a servo shifter. It was actually working worse than the first one. But we probably finna do a little POV, drive to gas station. I mean, not gas station, but the car wash. Get a car wash or some shit.
These niggas be bitches, they faking, they pace like Barbie, they sitting down, they sipping tongue. I about to sprint at the van and I blow at your head, nigga, it ain't no hole in your tongue. You talk too much.